So the reason why I don't care about Dollar Tree prices increasing is because one, the items that Dollar Tree has been bringing into the store lately has been a hit, to say the least. From the different dupes, okay? Really, really good. Dollar Tree, in my opinion, had a major transformation, okay? And they have not raised their prices. I mean, last year they did the $5 and stuff. They started bringing in the plus items. But far as like raising their prices and stuff like that, I believe the last time they raised their prices was roughly probably like and during 2020 COVID time, right? Whereas though they did $1.25. One of the things that you have to understand about business is when things go up, okay, the stores are going to increase their margin, all right? I absolutely love the transformation, how Dollar Tree has changed drastically from when I first started doing Dollar Tree haurs until now. Oh my goodness, it's been an impeccable, very, very beautiful transformation. So, do it make sense to shop there? In my opinion, it does still make sense to shop there because, like I said, that Dollar Tree is one of the most inexpensive stores that's around when it comes to majority of their products. Of course, yeah, you can find some items at other supermarkets, at other stores that may cost cheaper than, the sugar, right? The what is it? The Domino or whatever powdered sugar. You may find that cheaper at Walmart. But for the overall idea, I think you would be saving way more money when it comes to Dollar Tree. So that's my take on it. I stand by that. Okay, honey, watch the rest of the video. I love you guys. Peace. Some items that I told you guys that was going up, okay, is the For You and wraps and pens, $1.75. Now, they also have these breads over here. I told you guys they was going up to $1.50. They are $1.50. And then also the ramen noodles, which is going up to $1.75. No, $1.50, I believe. Honey, did you see this? Did you see? This is the swimsuit sack. How cute is this? You're gonna put your swimsuit in here and look at the flamingos. Gel, okay? It has like plastic right here. This is touchscreen compatible pocket. Ooh, you can put your cell phone in here as well. And this is $5. Still deal. These lip masks are a hot seller. Aromatherapy lip mask sleep. You get 5 lavender lip masks for $1.25. These are so good. Another fragrance that I had seen was the vanilla ones. But what I noticed at different Dollar Trees, some of them have different fragrances, okay, when it comes to the lip mask. But honey, 5 for $1.25, that's a steal deal. Dollar Tree also have the CV Color Vibe nail polish with hardeners. Now, as you can see, honey, they've been buying this up like tea. Okay, look, Bikini Beach. This one is by far my fave. And then they also have more neutral colors, and these are $1.25. A steal deal, like Holyfield. Really, really good. Another item that I absolutely love is the must-have beauties. Honey is the makeup brush for me. These are so cute. So they have this color right here. They also have this color, and then they also have the 2 makeup brushes for $1.25. These are styling. Now, Dollar Tree has also brought back their liquid blush, the Coral Crush. This is $1.25. Another hot seller at Dollar Tree is the 20 pieces, the natural scent sensitive, the body wax strips. So with this item, you get 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini and underarm strips, 2 cleansing wipes, and dermatologist tested for all skin types. 20 pieces, $1.25. Now, you know I am always talking about socks, right? Dollar Tree socks. You see these socks? These are a steal deal like Holyfield. I always tell you guys about the thickness of the socks, right? And I absolutely love thick socks. Don't bring me no thin socks, okay, Linda? Now, 3 pairs. These don't have a price on them, but these are Cool Max. All right, they cushioned wide heel for perfect fit, arch support, and then mesh ventilation and cushioned toes. All right, family, so these socks, $1.25. This is a steal deal. I mean, this is so good because they real thick, quality, good socks. Honey, look at this. LA Colors. These are, I absolutely love this, okay, because it's the names, LA Colors. Hey there, purdy kitty. For real. So this is eyeshadow, and the color is For Real. Well, the name is For Real. They also have Miel-Nificent. Really cute. They also have this purple. Oh, child, this purple is giving. And then they also have I've Got My Cat Eye on You, LA Colors. This is pointed tip for precise application. Honey. Okay. They also have the Whisker White. So this is Perfect Black Whisker White and Collab Brown, I think that's how you pronounce it. Fabulous. This is cute. Pour some. And I want to say that these are pretty much, I think these are the blushes, okay? They also have Give Me a Kitty Kiss. Really cute orange, and then they also have the grape right here. Absolutely love this. Angled tips. The tips are angled very good. Honey, who remember Pop Rock as a kid? Okay, child, listen, Pop Rock was the thing. But you know what I absolutely love was the Boston Baked Beans. And just a few days ago, I realized that Dollar Tree sells the Boston Baked Beans. I never knew they sold it, okay? But honey, who remember the cigarette candy? You know those long candies? They was like white. I don't know the name of them. And you would act like you was smoking gel. Honey, the things we used to do as a kid, child. Honey, good memory. If I'm not mistaken, I sure believe that Target sells these, the Fruit Mist, okay? Now, if I know that Dollar Tree was selling these like the gallon, well, not the gallon, but the 2 liter, I would have definitely been buying it from here. So these are so good. Is the Fruit Mix is peach flavored that they have, $1.25. Now I almost, honey, was blown away. Look at this Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. I was so shocked that Dollar Tree is selling Liquid Death. Okay, all right. Now I'm not gonna front. I used to buy this. I used to buy the water from Whole Foods, because you know Whole Foods sell Liquid Death, the water. And then I also used to buy it from Amazon Prime. Okay, because I'm a Prime member. But these are $1.25. Mango Chainsaw flavored sparkling water. Let me know in the comment section if you guys drink this. These are a steal deal like Holyfield, in my opinion. A cream plus grape. All right, these are, I believe these are $5. Okay, you get 6 of them for $5. They also have the Welch's. Oh my goodness, the Concord grape juice. Oh, child, it's so good. And I believe those are $5 as well. Honey, a steal deal like no one else's business. Now these sauces right here, I like these. These are $1.25. They also have the bowls over here. This is really good. So you guys know, if you don't, I'm moving into my condo soon. Yes. Okay. Now I'm serious. You may think I'm joking. I'm very serious. All right. Speaking into existence. No, I'm serious. These are really, really good, especially if you're a person, just paid for all your furniture and stuff like that. I believe in when you move to a new apartment, a new house, honey, I believe in having new furniture to go with that apartment. Okay. Now this is really, really good. This is definitely a steal deal. Like, Holyfield, these saucers, these are so good. And then not only that, they also have the mugs to go with it, and then they also have some glasses and some cups. Another item that I absolutely love is the microfiber dusting mat. They come in different sizes. Honey, I do it at first. They only came in one size, but no, they have the medium and also the large. And this is really, really cool, this dusting mat, because you just put your hand in and then just dust, the window ledges. You can dust everywhere. For $1.25, honey, you are winning. Dollar Tree also have some amazing summer items, summer fun, new larger size beach towels. They also have these beach totes over here. These items are $5. Oh, child, I didn't know they had this. This is the swimsuit sack. Child, get into it and do it. Another fun item that Dollar Tree has for summer is these quad chairs. These are $9. If you are looking for a bamboo torch, 5 feet, these are $3. They also have the tiki torch fuel, citronella. Now, when I tell you this item has moved so quick, the people been moving their feet definitely to the beat for this item. This item right here is these Folks fur pillows. These are $5. Dollar Tree just started selling these. Honey, they are selling. And when I say selling, honey, they selling fast, okay? They got 5 left. In other news, Dollar Tree also have the outdoor seat cushions that comes in 2 different colors. These are blue and also gray. It says easy clean, water repellent, fade resistant, fits most chairs. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the outdoor decorative pillows. Same as that concept, honey. Easy clean, water repellent, fade resistant, $5. And these are pretty much the designs. If you haven't seen these sandals that Dollar Tree has, these slides, honey, you in for a ride, okay? Dollar Tree has these men sandals. Now, I say teacher's own. To me, I say these are women. They look like women's sandals. They also have the ladies embellished flip-flops. These are $5. All these are $5. They also have some more women's flip-flops. They have the clogs over here for the men's, women, children. And then they also have the women's My Soft Ladies braid sandals. These are cute, $5 as well. And then they also have this neon bright pink slides. These are ladies super soft slides. These are $5 as well. Absolutely love this. And this is pretty much what Dollar Tree is working with, in a place to be. Now, let me know which item that you guys enjoyed. Which items are you going to buy the next time that you come to Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree in a place to be.